photography has grown in popularity among consumers who want to save time and money by employing a stock photographer rather than a photographer for each work. There are websites such as Lamy, Shutterstock, and Get Images that offer stock images, but those sites do not create the images by themselves. Various photographs are created by freelancers who are paid by various websites. Sites charge huge subscription fees, which make it difficult for photographers to make a living. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to monetize your photos in 2023 on Clickasnap. Hi, my name is Linus, and if this is your first time of seeing me, I say welcome. And on this channel, I make videos that teach you how to make money online and scale your online business. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I drop a video, YouTube would notify you instantly. If you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you for helping me to grow my channel. Please do not forget to like this video. And Clickasnap is an excellent website for beginners and sufferers alike, where you may earn money by just viewing images. You post your images, viewers, users view them, and you get paid per view. And after you have achieved at least $15, you can withdraw your money. This business strategy allows you to post a large sum or a large number of images without knowing which ones would be seen. The likelihood of making money increases as you put more effort into your task. If you come to Clickasnap, you get paid when your photos are viewed. Then you have 0.9 cents per view. Each time your photo is viewed, you earn 0.9 cents. And imagine if your photos are viewed 1,000 times. You have 1,000 times multiplied by 0.9 cents. So that means you'll be making at least $900 per month if you are able to achieve 1,000 views in a month. And we have how it works. If you're passionate about photography, why not take the opportunity to sign up to Clickasnap, where you can keep your image rights, keep your data, and earn money when someone views your photo. It is a unique platform that helps you get paid for your photos with a huge audience at your fingerprints. They have about 1 million members, and they have also images are viewed per day here. And if you come and say what you have to do just to upload your photos, user view your photos, and you are paid. Once your payment reaches $15, you can request to withdraw the money. Payments are made through PayPal for your security. And let's explore this particular website very, very well. If you come to Marketplace, this Marketplace is going to show you the kind of pictures that are actually getting a lot of views. Then if you come down here, you have popular categories. Popular categories of what people are actually viewing include infrared, agriculture, water sports, interior design, political, music, sport, long exposure, sunset and sunshines, vintage, fine art, and aviation. A photographer. You can also make use of this site to get images. But the question is this: how do you get these pictures without having to have any issues with copyright? You know, Clickasnap is an excellent for newcomers because it pays per view and has a huge amount of views. This picture, you can actually outsource your pictures, or you can get some pictures from some city place. I'm going to show you a secret that not everybody knows about. Now, let's say, for instance, now, if you want to get pictures of water sports, you can come to Google, type water, images of water sports. Then when you type images of water sports, the cities I want to shoot today, you come to this place, click on choose. When you click on choose, you come down here, click here. You see, we have Creative Commons, we have commercial and other license. And under Creative Commons, all the images that appear under Creative Commons are free to use. And if you come to click a snap, as a person who is using this particular app free of charge, you can upload 20 images per day. You have the right of uploading 20 images per day. If you click on this upload, you have, okay, I've uploaded one for today. You have upload a photo, remaining 19. I've uploaded one today. That's why you are seeing 19 pages still remaining there. So you are going to upload 20 pictures a day. If you go to this image and if anyone you like here among all these Creative Commons, you download that particular one, then we're going to do we're going to do a download from here, or let's search another category. If you come to this click a snap, there are some other categories that are like we said before that are very, very popular. But the one we have chosen here is this images of water sports. If you are still watching up to this particular point, I've not subscribed, please do me a favor, go and subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you're actually getting the value, and make sure you also share it among your family and friends. So if you go to this marketplace, now let's find another thing that we can also in here. We have picked for water sports. We can also go to sunset and sunrises. Then we go to Google and type sunset and sunrises. Sunsets and sunrises pictures. Then you have images here. Then when images opens, you come over to then you have usage right, Creative Commons. This Creative Commons will open another set of images that you can actually use free of charge. Then you go to all these images, whatever one you feel you are interested in, what you just have to do is to download it. Okay, now let's say we are going over to this one. Okay, I like this. I like this. So you come and download it. I like this. Save image as unique height ways. I like this particular one. Save images as unique height ways. Now remember, you are going to, whenever you go to pick a snap, you are going to put this of all these things there. Now let's head over to click a snap and see how this one can be uploaded on click a snap and upload. Then click here, select the picture that we just downloaded, unique height waves. Then you describe what this picture is all about. You can come here. This was the picture we took before. And we can open it. Okay, you describe. This one can be your description. Take it over to this place. Have your tags. You can tag Here to get some examples of what you can tag. You have hide words. You can tag it anything that you know that people are actually searching. Then you come down here. This you have sunset and sunrises. Then you don't have an from you click upload. So you click on upload. You have actually uploaded that picture. And like one of the ways that you can use to make sure that these pictures are easily viewed is by sharing them on your social media platform. You can also get some other pictures is by going to other freelance websites like Upwork, like freelancer.com and the rest of them and give out these things so that people can actually create them for you and you get them and upload there. This is just not particular time, please, and you've not liked this video, please like this video if you have gained anything from it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share it among your family and friends. Thank you for watching this particular point. See you in my next video.